Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 7 mathematics. We are going to learn multiplication of a monomial with a binomial. Okay student. So here we are going to learn, and this one is related to exercise 6C of RS Agrawal book. So we are writing here exercise 6C. The very first question of this exercise is, the instruction is given here. Find each of the following products. Following products. The question is here: 4a with 3a plus 7. Now student, first here we are looking that this one is a monomial, the 4a is a monomial and 3a plus 7b is a binomial. Okay. So first we have to multiply the 4a with 3a, then we have to multiply the 4a with 7b. First we multiply monomial with the first term of binomial, then we have to multiply the monomial with the second term of the binomial. For that we are writing here 4a into 3a, and again we are multiplying 4a with 7b. Now first we have to multiply the constant terms here. 4 3 are 12, and a into a we have to add the exponents of the same variable. 1 and 1 2, 12a square. Again we are multiplying 7 4 are 28, and here it is also students, here it is b. So 4 7 are 28, a and b 28 ab. That's your product. So when 4a is multiplied with 3a plus 7b, the product is 12a square plus 28ab. Now look at student, the next question, question number 4. 9x square we have to multiply with 5x plus 7. Similarly, this one is monomial and this one is binomial. So we have to multiply first the monomial with the first term of the binomial, then we have to multiply the monomial with the second term of binomial. So we are here multiplying 9x square with 5x. Again first multiply the signs here, plus 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 here, and 9x square with 7. Now multiply for the constant terms of the algebraic expression, and 5 is 45, and add the exponents of the same variable. So here 2 and here 1. So 2 and 1 3 x cube. Now 9 7 is 63, and here there is no variable, so only this variable we applied here, x square. So when 9x square multiplied with 5x plus 7, the product is 45x cube plus 67x square. Okay. Now look at next question, question number 7 here. In question number 7 student, it is given that 3 by 5 m square n we have to multiply with m plus 5n. m plus 5n. So this one is our monomial and this one is binomial. 3 by 5 m square n is monomial, and m plus 5n is a binomial. Now we are multiplying as per the rule. First we multiply this monomial with the first term of binomial, then we apply this monomial with the second term of the binomial. So we are writing here 3 by 5 m square n multiplied with m, again multiply the sign first, plus here, then 3 by 5 m square n into 5n. Okay, now there is no constant in the here first term of the binomial, so we have to write here 3 by 5. Now add the exponent of the m, both of the m. What is the exponent of m here? 2, and what is the exponent of m here? 1. 2 and 1 3. So we have to write here n cube and then n. Again here 3 by 5 m. There is no m here. First you have to reduce the terms here, students. 5 and 5 both reduce each other. Now what remains here? 3. Now there is no m here, so we have to write here m square. Now we have to add the exponents of n here. What is the exponent of n here? 1. And what is the exponent of n here? 1. So 1 and 1 2. So the product of 3 by 5 m square n, m plus 5n is 3 by 5 n cube n plus 3m square n square. Look the next question. Question number 11 here. In question number 11, student, it is given that minus 4 by 27 xyz multiplied with 9 by 2 x square yz minus 3 by 4 xy z square. Okay, student? Minus 4 by 27 xyz multiply with 9 by 2 x square yz minus 3 by 4 xyz square. In this term, in this multiplication, this one is monomial and this is binomial. So first we have to multiply the monomials with each term of the binomial. Now first we have to multiply the sign here, students. Minus plus, there is no sign between 9 by 2, that means here plus is hidden in form. So minus 4 by 27 xyz. When we are multiplying the sign minus plus, we get minus. Now 4 by 27 xyz, we have to multiply with 9 by 2 x square y and z. Again we have to multiply the sign first. Minus minus plus here 4 by 27 xyz into 3 by 4 xyz square. Okay, student? Now first we have to reduce the terms here, as 9 3 is 27 and 2 2 is 4. Okay, student? Now what remains here? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, minus 2 by 3. X, we have to add the exponents of x. Here the exponent of x is 1 and here the exponent of x is 2. So 1 and 2, 3. Here the exponent of y is 1, here also 1. 1 and 1, y square. And here the exponent of z is 1 and here also 1. So that is z square. Now again we have to reduce the terms here. 3 9 is 27 and 4 and 4 cancel each other. Now 1 by 9. Now we have to add the exponents of x. 1 and 1, 2 here. Add the exponents of y, 1 and 1, 2 here. And add the exponents of z, 1 and 2, 3. Z. So students, by this way you can multiply. This is looking very complex, but the process is same here, students. By the same way you have to multiply here. When minus 4 by 27 xyz multiplied with 9 by 2 x square yz minus 3 by 4 xyz square, our product will be minus 2 by 3 x cube y square z square plus 1 by 9 x square y square z cube. Okay, student? Now some more question we have to look of this exercise, but before we have to clean it. Now look at question number 14, students. 1.5a multiplied with 10a square b minus 100ab square. Okay. For that first we have to multiply 1.5 with 10a square b. Then plus minus minus here 1.5a we have to multiply with 100ab square. Okay, student? Multiply 1.5 with 10, the product is 15. A is missing here. A, and now we have to add the exponents. 1 and 2, 3. A cube, B. Here we have to multiply 1.5 with 100, the product will be 150. Again add the exponents of A 1 plus 1, A square, and here B square. Okay, student? Very simple. Look, the last question of that, question number 15. 2 by 3 ABC we have to multiply with, here it is not binomial, here it is trinomial. Okay, this one is trinomial. So look here. First, there is no confusion, there is trinomial or quadrinomial. Multiply each term with the monomial. 2 by 3 ABC we have to multiply first with A square plus plus plus, then 2 by 3 ABC we have to multiply with B square, again plus minus minus, again 2 by 3 ABC we have to multiply with 3C square. Now here there is no constant term, so we have to write here 2 by 3, add the exponents of A, Here the exponent of A is 2 and here 1. A cube BC. Now 2 by 3. A, add the exponent of B, 1 and 2, 3. B cube and C. Minus 3, 3, cancel each other. 2, A, B, C square 1, C cube. Okay, so this is the product of when 2 by 3 ABC multiplied with A square plus B square minus C square. So student, you have to not be confused when you are going to multiply a monomial with binomial or trinomial. But only one thing you have to keep in your mind, we have to multiply each term and the sign of the binomial, trinomial or quadrinomial with the monomial. Okay students, the rest question of this exercise we will solve in my next video. Thank you students.